Example problem 2 says, how many meters are in 3.21 centimeters? The first thing that we do is write down what the problem tells us. 3.21 centimeters. The next thing that we do is write down what we're converting to, which is meters. We are converting from something with a prefix, centimeters, to something that is a base unit, which is meters. So this is going to be a single step conversion. So we'll go ahead and draw our multiplication symbol, draw our division bar, and bring down centimeters to the denominator so that it can cancel. Since this is a one-step equation, we can go ahead and write meters and our equal sign. We give the 1 to the thing with the prefix, which is centi, and the metric system constant to the base unit, which is meters. And the metric system constant for centi is 1 times 10 to the minus 2. Centimeters cancels, and you're left with meters, which is what the problem asks you for. In your calculator, you will type 3.21 times 1 times 10 to the minus 2. In my calculator, it looks like this. 3.21 times, when you do a multiplication symbol, it looks like a star in a Texas Instrument calculator, 1e to the minus 2. And again, be very careful not to use the subtraction button and use that little minus button on the bottom of the calculator instead of the subtraction button on the side. And so that will equal 0.0321 meters. Go ahead and box our answer. And that is it. Let me know if you have any questions.